Hello. Okay, I'm extremely sorry. Okay, my apologies. Okay, I forgot to turn on the live session. I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm extremely sorry. Okay, I think I have to just redo the whole thing again. But anyway, I'll just finish with this. Then I'll explain to this. Okay, I'm extremely sorry. My apologies, because I forgot to turn on the live session, the live thing. So I'm so sorry. Okay, I let me finish this Aussie first. Then I'll update everything. Whatever I've said, I think I'll just repeat the whole thing, the whole process. Okay. My apologies for this. Okay, let me finish this Aussie. Okay, Aussie. So now we are going into the weekly, uh, so-called a weekly trade. So we would be selling at 66.30, then stop above that level, and the TP should be at 64.85. So this should be your weekly trade. So I'm extremely sorry. Once again, I forgot to turn on the live button, and I was doing this session almost like I think half an hour past. But never mind. I think I'll just repeat the whole thing again. Okay, I'm so sorry about that. Okay, now we are doing a weekly a trade for the Aussie. So we should be looking to sell. Okay, we should be looking to sell at 66.30. Stop at 66.65, and TP at 64.85. Okay, so this is a GTC order, and this is a weekly trade target 64.85 and 64.40. Okay, so this is a Aussie target. Okay, let me share the screen one more time. Okay, let me share the screen. Okay, again, I have sincere apologies. I think I've did half an hour without realizing that that this is not live. Okay, anyway, I've already turned it on. So now I'm trying to just recoup the whole thing, what I've been saying for the last half an hour. Then we will continue and finish the session. Okay, first thing, okay, do take note that from today onwards, our timing has changed. Okay, the timing has changed, meaning to say that, okay, our timing would be morning session is 10:45 in the morning. Then we have another session. The second round session is 16:45. Okay, we have a reason for giving all this time. Okay, because I'll explain to you as we go on. Okay, the next timing would be 16:45. That is for the Europe session, and the third one is somewhere 21:15. That means 15 minutes before the US time comes into play. Then of course we have one more time, which is 2300 hours. That means after we finish the trade, then we would be doing the adjustments for the next time belt. Okay, now what are we going to do is, okay, there's few things which we need to understand. Okay, first thing is, from today we are going to concentrate on the day trading, swing trading, scalping. Okay, these three which we are trying to split everything. So just bear with us until this end of the month. It will be all in one account, but maybe after next month we will try to split it in a different account, so at least you can see for clear, okay, which is doing well and which is the one that we are not performing well. So that is the thing. And also take note that we are planning to do uh, 1 to 2 hours of focused trade, and we are trying to do at least twice a day. Okay, I know this is very optimistic, and we do, but I think since we are going full time, I think the best way is, we try to make money, when we sit in the screen. So the difference between the focused and the trades what we are giving is, okay, this trades what we are giving, okay, this trade is called distracted trade, okay, meaning to say that you just key in the order but you don't have to be in front of the screen. Of course, on off you can just turn it on, manage the trade. But when we come into focus trading, that means, we sit ourselves in front of the screen, focused, and try to make money, and our goal is, and focus trading, we want to trade mainly on gold, purely on gold, and index futures or indices. So at least, the time when we are sitting, we are focused, so at least we know, okay, this we can make money and we can do that. So we are trying to everything to coordinate so such that I think we have already pushed so far, like we have adjusted all the things one by one. So I think we might make a few more changes then, and that's it. I think then we are good to go. Then the system would start to work automatic. Okay, now the orders which we have given, okay, Aussie, I'll do it again. And take note that we give you three types of orders. Okay, one is mainly, if you look onto the comment section on the right, this is on the right, it says that whether it's a day trading or weekly trading. Okay, so like for instance, like euro, okay, there's no comments, means it's mainly is a scalping, and we will be just doing a scalping trade. So when we look into this euro, we are trying to sell at 1685 and TP at 1645. Okay, then weekly is 1740, TP at 11550. Then the day trading is 1710, exit at 16. So this one is, of course, this can be higher or lower depending on the market movement. Then the same thing for the pound, we have three entries. One entry, the scalping is filled, which is we just shorted at 34.80, and the target is about 34.40. Then we have one entry at 35.15, which is a day trade. Another entry is 35.45, which is a weekly. And this adjustments for all these trades will be done every 6 hours. That means, like, when we meet the next session, we'll try to do the adjustments. If it's making money, then we'll go for a re-entry. If it's get stopped out, then we go for a re-entry. Then, we slowly, we try to get it perfected. The same thing for dollar yen. A weekly trade, we are looking to buy at 46.5. Target is 49.30. Then this dollar yen, this is a day trade. Yeah, this is a day trade. Okay, I forgot to mention this is a day trade. So this is buying at 47.10, exiting at 47.85, and this is a scalping, buying at 47 and TP at 47.5. Okay, now let's finish our Aussie, then we'll concentrate on the gold. Okay, the Aussie, I've given a weekly trade, which is selling at 66.30, TP at 64.85. So now I need to give a day trade for Aussie. So the day trading is, we are going to see, we probably we may have seen the high, and this range would be 65.30. Okay, 65.30 as target. Let me double confirm. And and as far as the entry is concerned, we should be selling. Okay, selling. Okay, one is, we'll try to go for a scalping. Let me also check on that. Okay, this scalping sell is this 65.75. Okay, there might be so the target for day trading should be 65. Just now I said it's about 65.40. So we can go for a sell. Okay, sell at one order is we try to sell. Okay, sell at 65.80. Okay, 65.80, 66.10, 66.10 stop loss, and 65.40 as a TP. Okay, so this is for either you can take it as scalping or day trading. Okay, but I think you can take it as scalping, so this is, I haven't given the time, so maybe later on we'll do the adjustments. Okay, then the next one is we go for a sell, selling at 66, stop at 66.30, and 65.50. Okay, so we have three entries. One is the day trading, and one is the scalping, and one is the swing. Okay, meaning to say we have the weekly, which is swing trading, is 66.30 selling, day trading is 66, then we have a scalping, which is 65.80. So I think we have done with all the currencies. Four currencies which we are dealing is all together. We have all 333. Now we come into gold. Okay, gold also do take note, since last Friday we have started trading on gold euro, gold Aussie, and gold US. So we have three opportunities on gold. Okay, this is going to be three opportunities. So that again, the gold also we are planning to do some additional report, which we will be also sharing with you. Okay, this one would be we are being very, of course, there are certain things which we are able to do, but I think slowly I will update you, how effective is this and how we can go about. So let's move on to gold US first. Okay, gold US, if we look into this based on the weekly, we are seeing, because I think this opening price is wrong, and I think this my software is always gives me a headache on the Monday, especially on the gold, you don't get the right opening price. Okay, now let's let's see this. Okay, looks like this one is the wrong opening. So anyway, we will try to take this as a previous low. That means we got to ignore this data. So we are looking for to buy at 3322. Okay, this is for the weekly. So buy at 3322, stop at 3315. Okay, let me double confirm that. Okay, I think we'll put it as 20 half. Okay, buying at 20 half, stop at 15 half, and the target, for this week is, if this high breaks, we should see the price heading towards 3395 and 3415. So let's put at 3415 as a final target. So I repeat, this is a weekly gold we are looking for. Okay, buying at 3320 half, stop at 3315, and target as 3415. This is a GTC order. This is a weekly target 3395, 3415, provided the 3366 breaks. Okay, we'll just put it as this. So this is the weekly target we are looking for, and this is a weekly target trade which we have keyed in. So the next trade is a daily trade, which is we are seeing a daily gold. Okay, now again this opening price is wrong. Okay, wrong, and also I think the Friday's data is also missing. Okay, the Friday's data is also missing. So I think I have to do a bit of guessing on this, because this data is not right. Okay, now Friday, I think Friday was, we can get it on a lower time frame. Okay, Friday it went to market close at 43, and today sorry, Friday high was 68 and closed at 55. Okay, 55. And today we are seeing the market try to break the high, and right now this has pulled back towards the so-called to the range trading, okay, or range or congestion. So today's target, we can expect 3385, okay, 3385, or further we can see 3390. Okay, let me double check that. Okay, I don't have the figures. Okay, I don't have the figures. So we will work it as 33. Just now, put a conservative about 3380 and 3385. As a conservative level. So where should we buying? We should be putting our stop below 48 or 43. Okay, below 48 or 43. And right now we are another half an hour left on this time belt, and after which we should be getting another 6 more hours. So based on this, we should be looking to go for a buy near 48. Okay, so 48, this is a buying level. Okay, 48 is a buying level, and remember I said the stop loss should be 43 and 40. So we'll go for a buy at 48, target at 80, then stop loss at 42 half, and that is going to be a day trading for gold. Gold US, gold US, because since we are doing the other two, I think we got to be very precise in what we say. So we are looking at 48, 42 half, and 80 target. Okay, this is today. Target. Okay, so we'll wait for this trade to work its way out, and we would see. Okay, so this is for gold US. Okay, then we need to go for a scalping entry. Okay, scalping entry is, we would still the scalping exit should be within this current high. So which means to say we will try to exit at 50, 68, which is your previous day high, and current day, we see this. So the only problem is the entry. So the entry wise, if you enter the same price, then it becomes a bit risky. So we would try to buy at 51. Okay, 51. Stop at 40. The previous entry was 40. 48. So 51, then we'll put it as 47 or 46 half as a stop. Okay, sorry, I'm sharing the wrong thing again. So we'll try to buy at 51, stop at 46 half, and the TP at 66. And this is a scalping entry. Okay. So gold US, we are going for a 51, 46 half, and 66. Okay, so excuse me. So we have three entries for gold. Okay, one is a weekly entry. So we'll just work this. This is a GTC order, meaning to say that this is valid for this whole week. Then we have a day trading, which is 48, and we have a scalping, which is 51, and try to exit before the high. So the day trading is, we expect the high to break towards 80. Scalping is within the high, so this is a very straightforward. Okay. So the next trade we are going to look for is gold euro. Okay, gold euro. So we should be getting a similar picture on the gold euro. Okay, the gold euro, I think the target we are looking at is if this breaks this high, this low, then we should see the price extending towards 2923, 2938, and towards this level. So let's okay, let me see what is the okay. I think this is already starting to turn up. Okay, turning up means this has got strength to reach this high, or at least 2956 or 50. So what we can do is, okay, we can go for a let me check whether this opening is correct. Yeah, I think this opening, this is also wrong. So here, let's okay, we'll go for a buy at 2855, stop at 2 2847, okay, and TP at 2950, okay. So that means to say roughly about $95 move which we are expecting this week. So we'll try to see whether we can get that move and capitalize on that move. So this is going to be a buy at 2855, stop at 46 half, TP 2950, weekly target so we have a euro. This is a weekly target we are looking at, so we are trying to buy at 2855, stop at 2846, and TP at 2950. Okay, then we have already keyed in 2858. I think that one we need to adjust it. Okay, we are trying to go for a buy at 2865, stop at 57, and TP at 2900. Okay, so this is a day trading order. Okay, 28 we'll put one as 2865. We'll put that as a scalping entry. Okay, 2857, or put it as 58. Okay, so we have adjusted that scalping entry as 2865, stop at 2858, and TP at 2885. So now we need to go for a day trading entry. Okay, the day trading, we can put it as buying at 2858. Okay, 58. Stop at hold on, let me double check whether it's a clash. Yeah, yeah. So 5.8, then we'll put a stop at 5.3. Okay, we'll put a stop at 5.3. Then 5.8, 5.3 to 8.98. Okay, so I think we have three orders. One is a day trading entry, another one is a scalping entry, and another one is scalping is within the current high. Then day trading is we expect the high to break towards 2898. Then one is a swing trading. Okay, so we have altogether we have three orders for the gold against the euro. So let's finally look into gold Aussie. I think then we are done. Okay, so now we look into the weekly. Okay, weekly, this is in a very tight range. Okay, the reason being is, I think one of the reason is because of the Aussie strength which we are seeing. So the target, I don't think we should be seeing the price going beyond 5220. Yeah, 5220 and 5265. Okay, we'll put it as 660. Okay, 5220, 5260. Okay, provided this breaks this level. Okay, 515 something, 515 something. Okay, so if you look onto the weekly, so this is again, we should be looking to buy at, I think this is also the opening high and low is wrong. Okay, so the low is 5037. I don't think we have seen that price. So this is also showing a wrong. So we should be able to see a target of 5200. So we'll go for a buy at 5075 and stop at 50. So the target is 5200. So let me just get it right. 52555. Okay, we'll go for a buy at 70, stop at 62, then TP at 5200. Okay, so this is, I repeat, this is gold against Aussie. Five zero seven zero 62 and 5200. Okay, so we have buying at 5070, stop at 5062, TP at 5200. This is for the weekly target. So the same thing for daily. If we look into daily, I think we should see the target 5155 or 5175. Okay, 5155 or 5175. So looking at this, daily target is 5175. So we try to go for a buy. I think we can still afford to wait because I think we still have some more room for the price to come down. Okay, so we can go for a buy at 5090. Okay, stop 5081, and the target just now I said was 51. Extension of this level is 5155. Okay, 5090. Just I have to register this on my mind. Okay, 5090. Stop just now I said was 81. Then TP 5155. Okay, this is a day order. Okay. Then finally we will go for a scalping, which is buying at 5100. Stop at 87. So 510087, $13 is a bit risky. So we'll just try to. I mean, we have nothing to lose. We just key in this order. If the order gets filled, then we take control. Then we work its way out. Otherwise, we don't have to have so much of stress. Okay. So we will have like 50 just now. I'm getting confused. Okay, just now I said 509. Okay, we'll go for 995. Okay, 95, and the target has to be 5120. Okay, 5120. Okay, so buying 509587 and 5120. Okay. Okay, so we have three orders. Just now I think okay, Euro got filled. Euro got filled. Okay, Euro got filled. So now we have three orders for Aussie. So one is, this is a scalping, day trading, swing trading. Okay, so altogether I think all the orders we have finished. So now what we would be doing is, like as I told you, we would be concentrating, like from today we would be concentrating on scalping, day, swing, plus one additional we are going to call a focus trading. Okay, this focus trading is mainly we are looking for market movement. So I think that focus trading can be done usually in the US session. So that's one. And we are trying to have one more session that is, I'm not sure whether that the previous time when Europe comes into play, we should be seeing this activity, because if it's not moving, there's no point. There's no point we sit and we just stare at the market. There must be uh, the market must be moving and there must be plenty of action, then only we should be able to catch the move. So then again, what I'm just trying to share is, okay, only like we are trying to get everything set, okay, hopefully before end of the month. In fact, supposed to be last month, but I think it's been delayed for a month. Uh, I think should be okay. I mean, this is not much delay, but more or less, I think we are into the system. Okay, meaning to say that we have a different. Everything is got. It's a very high probability trade setup. Okay, that's the thing you need to take note. So the levels we give in, not like just blindly we choose or we like the numbers we give. So we key in with a specific reasoning and specific projection and so on and so forth. So what we are trying to do is, okay, like you see here, I mean, we are trying to take trades. Okay, we want to have losing. That means when we lose, we try to lose the minimum. When we make, we try to make the maximum. We try to not miss any opportunity. So that's the reason. Sometimes you might be wondering, like the we can give, like for instance, like being instead of being stopped out, we skip one more level. Then sometimes we miss a big opportunity. So that's the reason why we didn't want to give, even though sometimes if the market is near that entry, we still want to go for the trade. Okay, so do take note also the change in time. So from now today onwards, our timing would be 10:45 in the morning, 16:45 in the evening, then 21:15. Okay, that is in the night. But sometimes when there is a data announcement, like tomorrow we have a CPI. So I think at that session, I'm not sure whether we can do two sessions or whether it's just a one session and finish it. So the one we'll try tomorrow, then we'll see how our focus and how we are doing. So then again, once again, I repeat, okay, I'm keying in so many orders, doesn't mean that you key in all the orders. Okay, you can focus on what you want and what is needed for you. Like for instance, if you're only trading gold, then you just try to do, so altogether gold, especially for gold, we will be doing four types of trades. One is scalping, one is day trading, one is swing trading, and one is a focus trading, meaning to say we will be sitting in front of the screen for 2 hours, okay, 1.5 hours or 2 hours, try to take a trade and try to catch. We are looking at between at least $6 to $10 per session. So if we are able to capitalize on that, so once we tune to the system, then once we know that, okay, we are in the right path, then we should be able to increase the volume and try to move on with the regular positive results. So that's the thing you need to know. Hold on, the gold. Okay, we have a. Okay, for the gold, I think we have 4 entries. Okay, let me check on this. This is another thing, we always need to run through the orders to check whether, we don't have any additional trades. Okay, so this is, we have scalping 51, buying 66, day trading, okay, swing trading. Okay, this 40. I think for the time being, we cancel this first. Okay, we cancel this. Then we would see whether if there is anything we need, then we put in. Okay, all you see, because once we put in all the time expiry, everything, is very easy to maintain, because the moment once the order is filled, you just have to stay focused and keep going and start keying in the orders. Okay. So thank you very much for coming. Once again, my apologies for this technical issues today because I forgot to turn on the live session. So in fact, I think there was a half an hour that was gone. So sorry about that. Okay, thank you. I'll see you again at 16:45. But in between, we may do the focus trading. So I just want to start that also. So if I start, then probably I'll be giving ad hoc uh, 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 session, meaning just 15 minutes grace period, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. So look forward for any alerts, then probably you may want to join in during that time. Okay. So thank you very much. I'll see you again at 16:45. Thank you. Bye.